Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best oil stone is probably one of the most fundamental and often overlooked tools in any serious kitchen or workshop, transforming dull, frustrating blades into razor-sharp instruments with just a few strokes, ensuring precision and safety in all your cutting tasks, and ultimately elevating your craft whether you're a professional chef, a woodworking enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates a perfectly honed edge. Number 5. Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone System. Many find whetstones intimidating due to angle control. This system includes an angle guide that automatically locks your blade, making professional sharpening simple for anyone. No oil is needed, ensuring a clean and straightforward process. Unlike cheaper stones that quickly wear out, this one features CBN-infused technology. It cuts faster, maintains its flat surface much longer, and resists chipping. This single kit will outlast multiple inferior alternatives. This comprehensive kit provides everything for perfect sharpening. It includes a dual-grit whetstone, a non-slip bamboo base, and an angle guide. You also get an instruction manual, an ebook, and expert support. The 1000 grit side is perfect for repairing dull or damaged edges. Then, the 6000 grit side polishes them to a razor-sharp finish, often sharper than professional services. This combination handles 95% of home knife sharpening needs without requiring extra grits. Stop paying $15 to $30 per visit for professional sharpening. This single kit can maintain your entire collection indefinitely. It sharpens kitchen knives, pocket knives, scissors, and more, providing lasting edges. Beginners can achieve razor-sharp edges in just 10 minutes. The safe, non-slip bamboo base keeps it fixed during use. This makes it ideal for home cooks, chefs, and anyone seeking consistently sharp tools. What we like. This system is perfect for beginners, thanks to its included angle guide that takes out all the guesswork. It features advanced CBN super abrasive technology for durability and a dual grit stone for both repair and polish. If you're new to sharpening and want professional results without the learning curve, this is an excellent choice to start with. What people say. Number 4. Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Kit. Not all sharpening stones are created equal. This kit uses a proprietary blend of aluminum oxide and CBN super abrasive, ensuring superior cutting performance. Don't settle for less when it comes to sharpening your blades. This comprehensive bundle includes everything you need. You get a dual-sided whetstone with a non-slip base, a flattening stone, and an essential sharpening guide. Together, they can transform even the dullest blades into incredibly sharp tools. Just one use of this sharpening stone is enough to restore the sharpness of dull or damaged blades. This means higher productivity and faster cutting, making food preparation easier. It also minimizes fatigue and reduces stress on your hands and arms. This whetstone features durable silicon carbide with dual grits, 400 for restoring the original edge and 1000 for fine sharpening and smoothing. The included flattening stone ensures a consistently flat surface for optimal results. As a water stone, it requires no expensive honing oil. This versatile sharpener can reprofile or repair almost any dull blade you own. From kitchen knives to gardening tools, it handles them all with ease. You'll find it indispensable for maintaining all your cutting edges. What we like. Next up, we have a premium quality stone designed for serious restoration. Its 400-1000 dual grit combination, along with a flattening stone, ensures you can bring even the dullest blades back to life. If you have very dull or damaged knives that need significant reprofiling before fine-tuning, this comprehensive bundle is ideal for you. What people say. Number 3. WorkSharp Benchstone Knife Sharpener. Introducing the WorkSharp Benchstone Knife Sharpener. This innovative tool ensures precise and consistent sharpening every time. Its sharpening guides can be set to 20 or 25 degrees, or easily removed for freehand sharpening. Experience its unique tri-abrasive benchstone system. This angle-guided, 3-sided abrasive system allows you to quickly switch between coarse and fine diamond, and a fine ceramic stone. It restores and refines your blade's edge effortlessly. The medium 400 grit and fine 800 grit diamond plates quickly restore a sharp edge to your knives. Then, the fine grit ceramic stone creates an incredibly keen finish. It's designed to bring any knife back to life. Benefit from pivot response technology, where the abrasive follows the blade's curve for optimal contact and superior results. This feature can also be locked out, providing a rigid surface for various knife and tool sharpening needs. It offers versatile sharpening for all your tools. This sharpener is designed for long-term use. Additional angle guides for 15 and 17 degrees are available, and replacement abrasives ensure its longevity. You can customize and maintain it for years of reliable performance. Every work-sharp tool is backed by a 3-year warranty. This protects your investment against any defects due to workmanship or design. You can sharpen with confidence, knowing it's built to last. WorkSharp is a 4th-generation family-owned American company, based in Ashland, Oregon. For over 40 years, they have engineered industry-leading sharpening tools right here in the USA. You're supporting American craftsmanship with every purchase. What we like. This sharpener stands out with its unique tri-abrasive benchstone and pivot response feature, allowing the abrasive to follow the blade's curve for consistent contact. It also offers precise angle guides for repeatable results. If you're looking for advanced control and versatility to sharpen a wide range of knives and tools with exceptional consistency, this is a top contender. What people say. Number 2. Sharp Pebble Whetstone Sharpening System with Angle Guides. This system takes the guesswork out of sharpening. Its built-in adjustable angle guides ensure a consistent edge every time, protecting your valuable knives from uneven wear. Crafted with premium 1000-6000 grit, these stones provide a dense, uniform abrasive surface. This design ensures even pressure distribution, making it forgiving for beginners and preventing knife damage. Designed for ease, it includes a non-slip base for stable sharpening. Plus, it only requires water, meaning no messy oils and a much simpler cleanup process. This dual grit system quickly transforms dull blades with its 1000 grit and refines them to razor sharpness with 6000 grit. You'll achieve professional results in minutes, with fewer strokes and greater control. Built for durability, this sharpener ensures long-term, consistent performance. It's designed to outlast cheaper alternatives, protecting your valuable knives and saving you money over time. What we like. This complete system is engineered for safety and ease of use, featuring built-in adjustable angle guides directly on the stone. Its dense, uniform abrasives ensure even pressure distribution for safer sharpening. If you're a beginner who values integrated guidance and a stable, forgiving sharpening experience, this system will help you achieve razor-sharp edges confidently. What people say. Number 1. Overseas 5-Color Permanent Oil Paint Markers. Discover the Overseas 5-Color Permanent Oil Paint Markers. These pens feature premium, quick-drying oil-based ink that is both odorless and non-toxic, ensuring your artistic endeavors last. Each marker is filled with 5 milliliters of high-quality Japanese ink. It dries within a minute, making your beautiful creations permanent and vibrant for years to come. These versatile pens are perfect for almost any material. Use them on rock, wood, glass, metal, fabric, and many other surfaces to bring your ideas to life. Equipped with a durable medium round nib, they allow for smooth and precise application. They are ideal for arts, crafts, DIY projects, and even office tasks. Each of the 5 pens comes individually packaged to prevent any leakage. This set includes essential colors, black, white, red, yellow, and blue, ready for your next project. Every marker undergoes rigorous testing for reliable performance. Purchase with confidence, knowing our customer support is always available to assist you. What we like. Moving to something completely different, these markers offer vibrant, oil-based ink that dries quickly and is permanent on many surfaces. They feature a durable medium tip for smooth, precise application on various materials. If you're looking for reliable, multi-surface paint markers for crafts, DIY projects, or artistic endeavors, these pens provide excellent coverage and versatility. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.